City English is easy, but can you speak English in a village? Let's learn together in a real village environment. Hello dosto, welcome back to my channel EnglishWala. Right now I am in a small village. Look around. The village is so beautiful, so peaceful and so fresh. This is a small village. They are village boys and they're small boys. They are playing here. The air is fresh. This is a tree. This is a small pond. And these are bamboo trees. Here you can see green trees and green fields. Just look that view. This is the aesthetic beauty. This is called beauty. यह है गांव की असली beauty. Just look the view. So green. Farmer is working hard there. This is a small pond and the water is fresh here. So let me know in the comment how you enjoyed the view. Do you love village environment or do you like city's environment? In villages, animals are part of daily life. गाँव में अक्सर हम animals को देख सकते हैं. This is a cow. This is actually a cow. The cow is grazing in a green field and the cow is eating grass. The cow is very useful animal. It has 4 legs and we can say it is a domestic animal. The cow gives us milk and they are very useful. Here are some boys. They are playing. They are village boys. They are playing here. Hey, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Village life is simple but beautiful. Let's learn daily use sentences for 5 minutes. जल्दी उठो. Wake up early. Wake up early. जाकर पानी ले आओ. Go and bring water. Go and bring water. खाना पकाओ. Cook the food. Cook the food. खाना परस दो. Serve the खाना. Serve the खाना. नहीं, serve the food. गाँव का कुछ खिलाओ. Feed the cow. Feed the cow. मोस को पानी दो. मोस को पानी दो. Give water to the buffalo. Give water to the buffalo. गाँव घास खा रहा है. गाँव घास खा रहा है. The cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass. बकरी को बाहर ले जाओ. बकरी को बाहर ले जाओ. Take the goat outside. Take the goat outside. Talking to people. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the farm. I am going to the farm. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am walking. I am walking. Come here. Come here. इधर आओ. बैठो. Sit down. Sit down. Village life is peaceful. For the village children, the pond is a natural playground. They dive from the banks, compete in swimming races, and try to catch small silvery fish with their makeshift net. They enjoyed here, they played here, and they loved to swim in this little pond. At sunset, the water transforms. The water turns to gold, reflecting the orange hues of the sky. As the birds return to the overhanging trees, a peaceful stillness settles over the water, marking the end of another day in the countryside. If you want to learn English in a real and fun way, subscribe to EnglishWala.